that they're passing passed it, universal health care. I told the doctors how I feel. All the dropouts are. Yeah, they passed it. All the dropouts. There were a bunch of them earlier.
For everybody?
For everyone. But you know what's the trip? What I told them? I was told that the Social Security office that they gave it to the government. Diabetes. I want you to fix that. Also told them the 9/11. If you believe that story, that's a good one. It has nothing to do with you guys. It has to do with Washington. This had the last say so. I want them to die. Is that a trip? Now, Washington can't fix me. You gotta go, man. Include all of you. Sarah McCain better speak up and speak the truth, because they ain't gonna care about him in the Hanoi Hilton. Yeah, he was there, but they ain't gonna care. You gotta remember something. I was speaking to one of the doctors there. He said he was in Germany. His brother was born there. It was really funny about this one though. He said the Eagle's Nest. I go, yeah. They call it Bush's Garden. They tripped out. And then I told him, it goes, there's a lot of theories. I go, no, they're not theories. You know how you keep a secret? Keep them all separate, all these scientists making things, and he has them all killed after. You don't kill them all though. It was really trippy though. He forgets about the German generals, Hitler. Your grandfather interrogates the German high command. I go, I speak fluent German, but like a Nazi. His brother was born there. Is that a trip? Now, I told him it's not your fault, but they gotta go. But you know what's funny? One of them that works there had a dirty look, eh? And I told her, if you got bad intentions, we're gonna work tomorrow. You want to call the cops? You can call this FBI agent. Tell them about embassy exploding 1993 and all this shit happening all over the place. My mom knows I'm not lying. Ain't that a trip? I blame the accountability is held on Washington's head. I want 15 times over what's posted, $900 trillion. Start putting the money tax-free and evict everybody all the way up. How much stuff did they take away from our family in World War II? I don't know. She don't even know. I want it all back. The difference is the German people don't got to pay Israel nothing. That's the way it goes. Uncle Sam, you got to kick in a big way. I'd rather die and have them kill all of you.